Hi everyone, Dajahao. My name is Amit. I'm an attorney specializing in international business law. I'm licensed to practice law in California and Israel, and have completed my master's degree in Chinese law at Tsinghua University of Beijing. Today we're going to talk about establishing your entity in China, entering to the Chinese market. What are the alternatives? What are the legal models that are most common? We're going to talk about three. First, we're going to talk about the wholly owned foreign enterprise, the WOFE. The wholly owned foreign enterprise is a simple model which allows you to establish a limited liability subsidiary of your company in China. This will allow you to do business in China like any other Chinese company. There are some restrictions that apply to foreign investors, but basically, once you establish a wholly owned foreign enterprise in China, you're able to do business like any other Chinese company. The second model is the representative office. Representative office used to be a very common model earlier in the years. But due to recent Chinese tax modification, most people prefer to establish the wholly owned foreign enterprise, the model that we talked about previously. A representative office is allowed to basically introduce to the Chinese customers your foreign subsidiary. In essence, the Chinese representative office says, please look at our American company and sign the contract with the American company. A representative office is not allowed to sign a contract directly with the Chinese party. This restriction, which does not allow direct business, is sometimes a model that the Chinese feel less comfortable when doing business. They typically prefer to do business with the Chinese company, which is allowed and able to receive money in Chinese currency. The third model is the joint venture. In a joint venture, the Chinese investor and the foreign investor, in our case the American investor, jointly establish a Chinese entity, the joint venture. A joint venture is a very important model, but a very complicated model, because if you need to make any changes in the joint ventures, many of the changes will require the consent of both parties. And this is a hurdle that is typically causes a lot of difficulties. For example, let's say you want to increase the capital of the company. Let's say you want to change your business plan. Let's say you want to add additional investors. All those things will need the approval of the Chinese party and their directors, which can commonly cause a deadlock. Therefore, when you establish a Chinese foreign joint ventures, it's very important that you will consult with an attorney that specializes, understand the nuances of a Chinese foreign joint venture. If you have any questions regarding establishing your entity in China, please feel free to reach me. Thank you very much, and 再见. So what's your China plan? To talk more about your China plan, please feel free to reach me at amit-law.com. Thank you very much.